I want to share my technique of cooking a swift beef brisket. First, I unwrap it and I trim off the flat side with a sharp knife until all of the fat is removed. It takes about 5 minutes. Now, make sure you put that fat aside and save it because I'm going to show you how to make tallow later. Once you get the flat trimmed, flip it over and trim the other side of all of the hard fat till it was about a quarter to a half inch thickness. Put that fat in the refrigerator. Then I'm going to inject it with some beef broth and coat it with a binder of some W sauce. Season it with some seasoning that's either for brisket or steak. Now put it on fat down for me. We don't have enough video time to talk about fat up or fat down. After it reaches about 170, I'm going to wrap it in butcher paper. I will show you this method in another video. Once you get it wrapped, put it back on your smoker and cook it till it reaches a tenderness of about 203 and the probe goes in easily. Rest it for at least an hour, cut it against the grain, and I want you to look at this tender juiciness inside. Doesn't that make you want to bite? It was super simple to cook, and now I'm going to go in for that quality control bite.